Hi, have you ever wondered when your machine stops cutting halfway through whether this is a problem that you've got, whether it's just decided to stop and you get frustrated with it? Well, Cricut actually will give you some hints, and I've just found some of these hints. What I'm doing is I'm cutting a really complex project, and I've put all these little things on the mat, and I keep getting it stop part way through, which means that I've got to go and try and cut it again. Now, this has been quite frustrating for me, and then I decided to read what it actually said in front of me. And it says, please check your internet and machine connections and try again. If you need help, click here. So then it says -24, and then I decided, okay, I would click here. And Cricut, who are absolutely amazing people, have actually given you a help menu for your oopses. Now, my oops was -24, and this is a ping timeout error. And if you know anything about pings, it means how long it takes to actually get the information. So because I'm using Bluetooth, and it tells me in here that if you're having issues with multiple projects, the issue is, or if the issue is isolated to one project. It could be that the project is too large. Well, yes, it is too large. Or it didn't save correctly. Well, I know it saved correctly, but I'm pretty sure it's too large. If you need to you will need to recreate the project if the issue happens with all projects. Then proceed to the next step. And it'll tell you the next step. But the next step in my case is try to connect the Explore machine to the computer using a USB port on the computer. Now, okay, yes, we've got Bluetooth, but Bluetooth obviously has its limitations in the amount of information that it can send via Bluetooth. And maybe I just need to try a USB cable in this case, or cut from a different computer where my machine is closer to it. Now, going back through these, and I'll quickly scroll up to the top, and as you can see, it says I'm getting an oops, it didn't work error in the Cricut Design Space. Well, it says to try again and contact customer care, but if you can't contact customer care, it actually gives you all the error codes down here, and you can go in and get your error codes. Now it's under Help Center, oh, I'm getting the words mixed up. I am getting an oops, it didn't work error. Now, it's obviously in one of these software helps, and you can go in and get it. If you actually need the URL of it, it's help.cricut.com/boops-it-didn't-work #24. Now, that will give you the oops, it didn't work, and hopefully this might help some people who don't know all the little itty-bitty bits and pieces about the design space. It even goes into the colour of the light on your machine, and all of the other little oops that you can get. So hopefully this will help someone. Thanks a lot.